Is your Office 365 acting up? Outlook not syncing? Word crashing? Teams refusing to open? You're not alone. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix the most common Office 365 issues fast. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, we'll get your apps running smoothly again without the IT headache. Let's start with the classic Office apps not launching. Fix number 1. Quick repair. Go to Control Panel Programs, Programs and Features. Select Microsoft 365, then click Change. Choose Quick Repair and follow the prompts. If that doesn't work, fix number 2, Online Repair. Repeat the steps, but select Online Repair. It's more thorough and resets the installation without deleting your files. Tip: always back up any local files before running online repair, just in case. Outlook issues are very common. Fix number 1. Clear Outlook cache. Close Outlook. Open file. Explorer and go to %local app data %/Microsoft/Outlook. Delete the contents inside the folder, not the folder itself. Fix number 2. Create a new profile. Control Panel Mail. Show Profiles. Click Add. Create a new profile, then choose Prompt for a profile to be used. Launch Outlook and test with the new profile. Bonus tip: use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant for automated diagnostics. Now let's tackle activation issues. Fix number 1. Sign in with the right account. Open any Office app. Go to File, Account. Make sure you're signed in with the licensed Microsoft account. Fix number 2. Use the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Activation, click Troubleshoot and follow the prompts. Fix number 3. Reset Office License. Open Command Prompt as admin and run cd %program files %/Microsoft Office/Office 16 CS script ospp.vbs. Just status escript ospp.vbs unp exxx. Then sign in again. Now on to Teams. Fix number 1. Clear Teams cache. Close Teams completely. Go to %app data %/Microsoft/Teams. Delete all the contents in that folder. Restart Teams. Fix number 2. Reinstall Teams. Uninstall via Control Panel, then download the latest version from teamsmicrosoft.com. Tip: Teams updates frequently. Old cached data is the number 1 issue. Now let's talk about Excel or Word crashing. Fix number 1. Disable add-ins. Open Excel or Word in safe mode. Press Win+R. Type Excel Safe or WinWord Safe. Go to File Options, Add-ins. Disable all non-Microsoft add-ins. Fix number 2. Repair Office again. Use Quick or Online Repair. Fix 3. Delete normal.tm for Word. Navigate to %app data %Microsoft/templates and delete normal.tm. Now, make sure you keep your Office apps updated. To manually update, open any Office app, File, Account, Update Options, Update Now. Pro tip: set updates to automatic so you're never behind. We're almost done, but here's a bonus. If your issue affects OneDrive integration or syncing across apps, sign out of all Office apps, restart your PC, and sign back in with your Microsoft account. And that's your Office 365 troubleshooting toolkit. We covered repair steps, cache clearing, account issues, and deep fixes like license resets and add-in problems. Still stuck? Drop a comment below or try Microsoft's Support and Recovery Assistant. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Fix-It guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.